TOKIO LED ceiling fixtures is equipped with a corridor function. We will show you how to adjust it in a moment. In order to open the ceiling fixture, please remove the masking ring of the cover and then unscrew 4 screws. The cover is integrated with the light panel and connected to the rest of the ceiling fixture with a special hinge. It is an extremely functional solution which facilitates the change of settings in the mounted ceiling fixture. IP66 protection rate is ensured by the seal between the cover and the body of the ceiling fixture. Contrary to appearances, settings adjustment of the ceiling fixtures with 8 switches is very simple. The detection sensitivity is adjusted with the first switch. The upper position is the full range. The lower position limits the detection field by half. Remember that the microwave sensor can penetrate through thin walls and doors, that is why the possibility of its adjustment is so important. The second and third switches are responsible for hold time of the fixture at 100% of its power. Both switches up, it is 10 seconds. 2 at the bottom, 3 at the top, it is 90 seconds. 2 at the top, 3 at the bottom, it is 3 minutes. Both switches at the bottom position, it is 10 minutes of lighting. Switches 4 and 5 are responsible for adjusting the daylight sensor. Both switches in the upper position are 2000 lux. By shifting 4 down, leaving 5 at the top, we have 50 lux. By changing the settings, 4 up, 5 down, we get 15 lux. By setting both switches down, we get 5 lux. Adjustment of hold time after dimming is carried out by means of switches 6 and 7. When both switches are in the upper position, the ceiling fixture will turn off after the hold time elapses. By changing the 6 down, leaving the 7 up, the ceiling fixture will turn off after 30 seconds. By changing the setting to 6 up and 7 down, we have lighting sustained for 10 minutes. If we set both switches in the lower position, the ceiling fixture will never turn off, it will always sustain the lighting until the object enters field of view of the sensor. The dimming level is set by means of the last switch. When it's in the upper position, the ceiling fixture reaches 10% of its brightness. By turning the switch to the lower position, we increase it into 20%. Here is an example setting of our ceiling fixture. After the object leaves the field of view of the sensor, the ceiling fixture will light up for 10 seconds and then dim to 20% of its brightness. After 30 seconds, if no motion is detected, it will turn off.